Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. In today's trading session, we ended up taking two trades today. Again, both ended up, well, actually, one was a loss, the other one was a break even. Both trades very A plus. So yeah, let's just kind of get into the day here. Again, we were looking to take a Mech today. Overall, very clean day today. So let's just kind of hop in and take a look at this. So, good morning, coming in today with a bullish bias. If you guys saw my Sunday bias video, we did exactly what I wanted in order to take clear longs. Daily profile of the day is New York continuation, expecting price to deliver from this 30-minute gap and go to previous day high. Now we're just waiting for a clear entry. Also keep in mind we mitigated weekly opening price and created a bullish SMT with ES inside of that. So again, looking at the daily, we swept this low SMT, so we can go higher again. Look at weekly opening price, SMT here, close above. Again, drawn liquidity is clear as the day that we want to be bullish. Again, accumulation, we have the manipulation, London reversal, New York continuation. So what do I want to see? We had SMT with these lows. Again, this got SMT, so I expected a delivery higher from this low. So it's like either the fair value gap, either this is a protected low and we just mitigate this fair value gap and continue higher, or we come and do what we did right here. So we will come and sweep all these lows down here, which is also ideal. I don't mind. A deeper retrace. Price tap into that retrace. We swept the low. Again, pretty A plus. Nothing here. We came in, really swept the low here like this. This was more ideal for me. I didn't like that we just kind of wicked this, and I was like, I feel a little skeptical about this. This could still work, but I feel a little bit more on the skeptical side. I want to wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. did exactly what I wanted. Open lower, tapped into the hourly gap. Again, if you take a look at this, tap into hourly gap as well as this 4-hour fair value gap as well. Boom, again. So we have something like this. Again, and then I did have this breaker marked out at the time as well. So we have the breaker, we have the sweep of this low. Again, a resweep, 10 a.m. opening lower. I expect this inversion to happen and then deliver us higher because 10 a.m. is opening lower. This was going to be initially my break even, this 5-minute that was right here. So essentially we had this 5-minute right here. So that was going to be my break even. Price didn't even tap it. Like, again, we didn't even get any push higher. We just kind of immediately saw me out, which again happens. It is what it is. Then price created a resweep. Again, I really like this resweep. Again, we're still in this 4-hour. Again, the only thing I didn't like at this point, I was like, damn, like, are we trying to mitigate this breaker here? And like we barely touched it, so like this made me a bit skeptical because we barely tapped the breaker, and I was like, I mean, we swept the low. And another thing I didn't like about this was that ES created equal lows with these lows down here, with this low down here. So I was like, damn, they're equal lows and then we're inversing up. I'm like, damn, this makes me a little skeptical. But I was like, you know what? Like, maybe we will save that for later. I believe price is very bullish at this point in time. We have this 5-minute CRT in this low. We should at least come and mitigate the 5-minute, and then I'll go break even there, and then we'll go higher to this 15-minute. Hopefully, we'll see whatever the market wants to do. Enter long. Again, once this 1-minute inverse, I enter long, went break even, got stopped at break even, just like that. So yeah, those are the two trades, and then we came re-swept again. I wanted these equal lows to get swept. Equal lows got swept. These lows got swept on ES. So I was okay. Like, I'm willing to take this one last time on this 3-minute if it inverses. Never inversed. So again, we are here basically right here where we are now. Again, like I said, I don't think anything here is A plus at all. At this point, ES is just kind of dumping, shooting for these lows. So I don't know where price wants to go. I don't think it's a good decision to take longs even after NQ sweeps London lows like right now. So see how there's a 5-minute for value gap there. There's probably like a 30-second inside of this, or I don't know, maybe a 2-minute, I don't know, a 30-second invalidation to go higher and target the 5-minute. I don't think this is smart, and the reason why is because I just feel like price is just so bearish here that this could not work. So again, personally, this is just something I wouldn't take. There's no higher time frame gap. We're just below the weekly opening price. We targeted this. I just don't think this is something that is ideal to take. I think this is the type of thing to actually fail. So yeah. But that's just my opinion. Again, that's what I believe, and not undeniably clear like the other trades. So yeah, that's the only trades I ended up taking today. Two trades, very A plus. One loss, one break even. It's okay. It's the beginning of the week. I'm not really stressing. I actually am very happy to see price action like this because I haven't seen price action this clear in a while. It's been like no retracements, no anything. So the fact that the market is actually giving me retracement now is actually a really nice thing to see. Again, I actually put risk on the table today. With those two trades combined, I lost around $400 in the day. So yeah, again, not really upset about it. It's an A plus setup that I would take 10 out of 10 times. I risked along here, boom. So basically risked like 8 MNQs, and I would have made, I don't know, a little over $600, $700 probably. So again, I would take that risk to reward on this A plus setup any time of the day. Yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. As always, again, you're just gonna remain patient these times. I know my model is profitable, and I'm always gonna make more than I lose, and that's just how the game is. You just gotta avoid taking the dumb losses and not be afraid of taking good trades when the opportunity presents itself. So yeah, again, very grateful for this trading day. Really good trading day. Have nothing else to say. If you guys have any comments, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next trade recap. Peace.